The epitome of surrender is in the Shikshastakam in the 8th verse. Ashlishiva parvatam panashrama madarshna mamatam karotava yata tatava viradatu lampato mat prananatasu sivanapara. When someone like that, like Radharani, is speaking this verse, she's so surrendered that, Krishna, all I know is you. You're my heart. You're my prananath. Na eva paraha. Na paraha. I don't know anyone else but you. I don't have anyone else but you. I don't do anything else but serve you and remember you. So this is the example of ultimate surrender. And it's not intellectual at all. It's completely heartfelt. This is the epitome of prema. This is the epitome of the Mahabhava of Radharani. So you can break my heart by not being present before me, or coming in front of me with your arm around another gopi. Say, look, I'm with this gopi. How do you like it? And if you saw your dearest beloved come right in front of you with another girlfriend or boyfriend, you would probably not feel so happy. You would like, oh. So Radharani is saying, it's okay. You can bring other girls in front of me. And you can come with obvious signs of enjoying another girl in front of me, but I won't stop loving you. I won't stop remembering you. You can be so intimate with me and so loving. You can crush me with your loving embrace. You can be right with me, or you can be a million miles away from me, but I'll never forget you, and I'll never stop loving you. So this is fully surrendered. There's no one more fully surrendered than Radharani. There's no more intellect. Intellect is retired now. Intellect is not playing here anymore. This is just the play of inconceivable, unlimited, ultimate love of Radharani. That's the very definition of Krishna prema that Rupa Goswami gives. Even if there's causes, if there's very strong and good reasons for separation or leaving the beloved, still you don't leave. No matter what my beloved does. This is the basic definition. Then to give it more elaboration, then the Shikshastakam verse is there. If you do this, you break my heart by not being present or even cheating on me and coming in front of me with another girl. I don't care. So that's a lot of causes for breaking up and a lot of causes for stop loving, but Radharani never stops. So our surrender has to come. This is the Radharani is the epitome of the surrendered devotee. No one is more surrendered than Radharani in the whole history of devotion.